In repair sales, speed wins. The longer you take to send a proposal, the less urgent it feels to your customer. Their attention shifts, and you lost a sale. Now mechanics can send proposals while still on site. Introducing Bolt, the AI mobile app for repair estimates. On site, mechanics work with AI to uncover new sales opportunities. Mechanics quickly create the estimate, adjust labor and material as needed, and AI reviews accuracy and flags missing items. Mechanics can preview the proposal, send it to the customer, and get a signature all before walking out the door. Or proposals can be routed to the office for approval before it's sent to the customer. If you're serious about speed, sales, and staying ahead, please schedule your demo today.